name is Erick Magaña Fuentes, and I am going to explain the parts of a plane. The first part I will talk about is going to be the antenna, which is located on the top of the plane. The next part of the plane is the cabin, which occupies this part of the plane. The next part of the plane are the doors, which are located in these three parts. 1, 2, and 3. The next part is not a part, if not drag. Drag is the aerodynamic force that opposes the movement of an airplane through the air. The next part is the empennage. Is the name given to the intertile section of the aircraft, including the horizontal and vertical stabilizers, the rudder, and the elevator. The next part is the fleet number that airlines use to differentiate their fleet. The next part is the jacking point, which are these 3 points: 1, 2, and 3. The next part is the leading edge, which is located on the wings. The next part is the main landing gear, which are these 2 pairs: 1, 2. The next part is the no landing gear, which is this part. The next part is the propeller, that in this case are these 2. The next part is the radome, which is located inside the seat. The next part is the seats, which are inside the cabin. The next part is the spinner, which is the cone of the propeller. The next part is the strut, which is an oil strut, is an IO pneumatic hydraulic shock absorber. The following is mechanical thrust. In an airplane, thrust is generated in different ways depending on the type of propulsion, such as a turbojet. The next part is the trailing edge, which is located on the 2 types of the wings. The next part is called trim. By definition, to trim an aircraft is to adjust the aerodynamic forces on the control surfaces. The next part is the wheel cover, which is to protect the wheel. The next part is the windows. The windows are constructed with multiple layers of the glass or stretched acrylic material. The next part is the windshield. This, unlike windows, has greater resistance to low temperatures. The next part is the wing strut. The strut acts in tension to bring lift from the wing to the fuselage and keep the wing level. The next part is called the hold, which is the place for the suitcases. The next and last part are the wheels that are used to land to the plane.